Hey guys, it's Regine again, and we are going to continue working on finding the perimeter and solving problem using perimeter. Alright, so over here I have a word problem for you, and you can pause it and try it on your own and come back and check to see if you have the correct answer. So it says, Jay wants to put a fence around his yard. Does he need to find area or perimeter? Alright, so he needs to find the perimeter for that. And the reason it needs to be perimeter is because he is finding the distance around his yard. He's not putting something inside his yard. He's not trying to find out how much things or how many things can fit inside his yard. He's trying to find around, the space around, and that is the perimeter of something. It might be a rectangle, it might be rectangular shaped yard or something like that. All right, so now let's learn more about Jay's yard. Jay's yard has two sides that are 20 feet long and two sides that are 30 feet long. So it is a rectangle, because in our previous videos on rectangle, we did learn that if you have two sides that are the same and then two other sides that are also equal, then that is the shape of a rectangle. And we're going to find out what is the perimeter of that yard. So again, you can pause and try it on your own and come back and check to see if your answer is correct. So, his yard, we have 20 plus 20 plus 30 plus 30. So 20 plus 20 is 40. 30 plus 30 is 60. 40 plus 60 is 100. So his yard is 100 feet long. So he's going to need to find some sort of fencing that is 100 feet long all around. All right, now this one is a tricky one. So it says the area, and in fact, let me move up because I might need some extra space to try to show you how we can work this out. All right, so here it says the area of a rectangle is 16 square meter and the perimeter is 20 meter. What are the dimensions? So they've given us the answer. They gave us the area and the perimeter. So if we have a rectangle here, the area we know is the space inside, and that is 16 square meter. Well, with area, we know that's multiplication. So we have to think about, well, what can we multiply to give us 16? Well, perhaps the length. All right, so we have length and width. And let's see what that can add up to with perimeter. So we do know that the area is 16. So length and width. So the length could be 1, the width could be 16. And because this is multiplication is commutative. It doesn't matter if it's the reverse. So we're not going to do any operation for the reverse. But 1 times 16 is 16, so that would cover the area of 16. But now let's do the perimeter. Remember, a rectangle has 4 sides. So if this is 1, this is also 1, that's 2. If this is 16, this is 16, that's 32. 16 plus 16 is 32, so 32, 33, 34. That's a perimeter of 34, so that does not work because we need our perimeter to be 20. All right, well, let's try another one. Perhaps 2 and 8. 2 times 8 definitely will give us an area of 16. Let's try for perimeter though. So we have 8 plus 8 is 16. We'll have 2 over here, that's 18, and 2 over here, that's 20, and that will work. So the dimension, we can say we have a length of 2 meters. Got to keep our units consistent. And a width of 8 meters. All right, so just to review, remember perimeter is the distance around a figure. We find the perimeter by just adding the numbers. And today we practice solving some word problems using the perimeter. I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.